Hello everyone, welcome to our first episode of Halloween Hacks with Simply Jules. Today we are going to be making a great treat to make with kids, Rice Krispie Monsters. For today's project, you are going to need candy melts of your choice. We're using purple and green, and we're also going to need googly eyes. Then you're going to need Rice Krispie treats, either pre-made or store-bought, and a baking sheet lined with parchment. Let's get started. All right, now that we have some made, let me show you how quick and easy it is. All you're gonna do is dip it in the chocolate and twist it around until you're about 3/4 of the way covered. And then throw it on your parchment. Then all you have to do is add your eyes. Easy as that. All right, so as you can see, this was a really simple and easy way to bring your Halloween treats to the next level. It's a great way to incorporate your kids in the kitchen and allow them to get creative. We look forward to you tuning in to our next episode of Halloween Hacks, and we hope to see you there. Bye.